Good night, teacher. Eh, for exposition, uh, of final product of the workshop one English. People who contribute to the society. Albert Einstein facts. Full name Albert Einstein. Born 40 March 1879. Occupation scientific specialist of physics. Died 18 April 1855. Then now for history of relativity. Albert Einstein was born in Germany. I living in Italy before moving to the United States. In 1933, Albert Neuer returned to Germany after moving to the United States as a child. Albert owned no with physics and his father that does that Albert hated the study discipline of the grammar school. During his stay at the school, he excelled in the mathematics, physics, and philosophy. Adult student, school, every still discipline and grammar school. Thank you, teacher.